Many of us love embracing the fall fashions and the fall trends, but some of us are looking at the runway models and we're styling all wrong, especially if we're over 50. So today I have 5 mistakes that you may be making with the fall trends, the fall fashions, and the new trends are ranging from Western look to boho chic. So as usual, I'm going to show you as I model the do's and the don'ts, and I can't wait to get into this video. It's usually very, very popular. So let's start with mistake number 1. You've heard that the Western style has come back and you're going, yee-haw, as you dig out your line dancing look that you used to wear in the 1990s. Well, hold your horses. This look makes most women over 50 look like they're trying too hard. And a short skirt with cowboy boots is not the look for you. The fall fashion style for us is more mature, but it still has the cowboy hat, cowboy boots, but the Western vibe is more of a classy and chic look. Check out this beautiful Allegra K denim dress that is 100% cotton in 5 shades of denim and just $50. And of course, real leather cowboy boots can be a staple in your wardrobe for decades. I wear black, but brown would be great with this outfit. I added a stretchy belt for $12, a straw hat for $20, and a straw bag for $19. And I've got a trendy Western vibe that's classy and chic. And as usual, I'll have most of the items that I'm modeling, including brown and black real leather cowboy boots, underneath the description, also in the comments. And of course, if you go to amazon.com/shop/awesomeover50, you will find my fall favorites, everything from jeans to jackets. But for now, let's take a look at mistake number 2. If you haven't caught on that brown is trending and they're actually calling it the new black, yet you're still wearing, all black outfits, I want to quickly show you how beautiful brown can be. If you're going to invest in a fall piece, this faux suede blazer that looks like the real deal is just $47. The fall style is a bit boxy, which is trending, and this material gives a very rich vibe. I paired it with a classic blue striped shirt that's mostly cotton and goes to 3XL, and last time I checked, it was on sale for an amazing $20. I'm wearing a pair of my favorite NYDJ stretchy jeans that are just $79, and they go up to size 18. I've added my favorite brown all-leather ankle boots that go to size 11, and many of the sizes are on sale for just $50 last time I checked. Over my shoulder, I have another great investment in this all-leather crossbody purse with many zippers, and it's just $55. It's time to get out of the doldrums of wearing black all the time and wear this fall's hot trending color, and that's brown. And best of all, it's also slimming too. And don't forget, if you're ordering dresses or blouses or blazers or jeans, don't forget to know your measurements. It's so important. And for every item that you order, make sure you know your measurements, especially the bust sizes, and look at the size chart for every item. Oh, and don't forget to stay until the end of this video where I'm going to have a fall inspirational message for you. But for now, let's take a look at mistake number 3. Pick your leathers carefully, especially the faux leathers, as they'll be trending again this fall. I bought this pair of faux leather leggings when they were popular, but the material makes a swoosh swoosh sound when I walk, and it's really annoying. On the other hand, this beautiful buttery soft faux leather skirt from the drop is just $55 and it goes to size 3X. It's so chic and classy for fall. I paired it with a pair of tights and black faux suede ankle boots that are just around $50. And I thought to finish the look, I'd wear a silky white top for just $28 on sale last time I checked, and this crossbody cell phone mini purse for $28, and of course my Ray-Ban Wayfarers to finish off this elegant look. And if you like styling videos like these made by a woman who might be a little closer to your age, I would love for you to subscribe. There's a button down there somewhere. And also check if you are a subscriber that you've clicked on the notification bell. I've had a lot of women tell me that they haven't been seeing my videos. I do them every single week, so I don't want you to miss out. So click on that notification bell. And also, if you like inspiration, styling, beauty tips, don't forget to follow me on Instagram. All you have to do is search Loving Our Age or Instagram.com/lovingourage. I would love for you to join me there as well. I post pretty well every single day. All right, but for now, let's look at mistake number 4. You think you've got this boho look down, but the look is more boho chic for 2025 and not boho dowdy. It's okay to wear a boho dress, but add a little something to the mix. The dress itself is nice for fall at $36, but let's add that stretchy belt to it and change the flip-flops for these great faux suede slouchy style boots that are trending. And last time I checked, they were on sale for 25% off for just $33. Add a long slimming over cardigan for $30 and a fall hat, and you've now got a fabulous fall vibe that's definitely the trending boho chic. And don't forget that I have a second channel now on YouTube where I have full-length inspirational messages, healthy lifestyle tutorials, and also some fun outings. And all you have to do is, when you go to YouTube, search Age Empowered. Hey, and I'd love you to subscribe over there and make sure you click on that notification bell so the algorithm makes sure that they give you my videos. But we're on to another mistake now. All right, let's take a look at the next mistake for fall. You're wearing denim, as you know it's trending, and you know the shacket look has been trending for a while, but oh, sorry to tell you this, but that kind of sloppy look has made way this fall for something a little bit more classy. Now the good news is that denim on denim is still trending, so I'm still wearing my NY DJ jeans, but take a look at this great Allegra K denim blazer, which last time I checked was on sale for just $37. We've gone from shabby to chic with these two looks, and this denim blazer can go with a dress or skirt and will be on trend for many years to come. Let's add aviator glasses and that cell phone purse to finish off this great look. And as we are into fall, I know it can kind of bring mixed emotions for many of us. For somebody like me, I think about going back to school. I want a new outfit, and I feel the crispness and the coolness of the air, and I think of great possibilities. But for some of you, like my daughter for an example, she actually suffers from like the lack of sunshine and also the shorter days. And for some people, it's a little more extreme, and they call it SAD, which is seasonal affective disorder. And if you have that, if you're getting depressed a lot and you know, not feeling well, don't forget to seek out maybe professional help for that. But for her, she buys these lamps that actually, they give off the light like the sun does, and it helps her quite a bit. So I'm going to make sure that I put them in the video description and also in the comments. And in a few seconds, a yellow screen is going to show up. You'll see me in a blue shirt, and you can click right away to my new YouTube channel for those inspirational chats and lifestyle videos. So don't forget to click on me with the blue shirt. I truly hope that as we're on this aging journey together, you get lit up with my messages and my outfit inspirations. And in fall, it's just such a wonderful time, you know, to go to farmers markets and fun fairs, and also watch Mother Nature as she's changing the trees and the beautiful colors. You know, every day is really a gift. And for me, it's just another way to be loving our age.